Blurring part of a video on CapCut is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to log into your CapCut or sign up to a CapCut account. Now once you have that, we're going to go to projects and we're going to either create a project to import the project that we want to add the blur for, or if you already have the project here, you can just click on it like I've done here. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say this is the part that I want to blur. So what I'm going to do is, for the first video, you're going to ensure that you click outside of the video. This is inside the video. You click outside of the video. So the next thing you're going to do is at the bottom of the page, where you see where there are options to click from, you click on effects. And from here, you're going to click on video effects. And here you're going to search blur. Now you're going to choose the blur. And once you choose it, you realize it's on the entire video. But we're going to go and scroll down here. And this is what makes it go on the entire video. Now that's how to blur part of a video on CapCut. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.